Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rise English. My name is Betty. I am from UP. Today I will start in my grammar series, which is a conjunction. So let's start. What is conjunction? Conjunction is a word which is joined two words or more than two words, class, phrases or sentences. सो कंजक्शन वह शब्द है जो दो क्लास, दो फ्रेजेस एंड दो सेंटेंसेस को जोड़ने का काम करता है. लेट्स एग्जांपल एंड दो पर्सन, दो क्लास, दो फ्रेजल या दो सेंटेंसेस को जोड़ने का काम करता है. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज प्रिया एंड सुप्रिया कुकिंग फूड एंड सेकेंड एग्जांपल इज यू एंड मी गोइंग टू मार्केट एंड थर्ड एग्जांपल इज सीता एंड सीमा हैव कम हियर. So here is the two people, Sita and Seema. So they are connected and conjunction, which is used in English language as a speaker. You can use conjunction. It is a beautify the sentences. And next conjunction is as well as और भी तथा in Hindi. Let's example he abused me as well as threatened to me. Here is as well as, which is conjunction. For use, if you are use conjunction, that is a very. If you are use this conjunction in phrasal phrases or sentences. And second example is the Ram as well as Shyam was present there. Here is uses conjunction as well as. Here is uses Ram and Shyam. It is connected conjunction as well as. So third example is she has hated me as well as loved. And third conjunction is otherwise. Otherwise means अन्यथा, नहीं तो. So let's say example we are understand. If you are not listen to me, otherwise I will beat you. Here is uses otherwise, which is conjunction. So complete this conjunction in. So you can use this conjunction in sentences otherwise. And second example in otherwise is you will work hard, otherwise you do work hard, otherwise you will fail. And third example is you reached the timely, otherwise train has left. And fourth conjunction is or else, नहीं तो. And her or else example is hurry up, or else you will left the train. And second example is quick treatment, or else she will die. And third example or else is do hurry up, or else I will go there. So today is enough. If you are learned, don't forget like, share and subscribe. See you, meet you tomorrow. Okay.